Hey everyone, if you guys have been following my channel, you know that I'm a big sucker for carbon fiber. I love the look of carbon fiber. I mean, ever since I've seen carbon fiber on like those sports cars, like the Bugatti, and then the Koenigsegg sports cars, I think every Note phone that I've had, I've always ordered either a carbon fiber skin right before I even get my new Note, or a carbon fiber case, up until the Note 10, because I just love the Aura Glow color so much. So I didn't really get one for the Note 10. But here is my Note 4, and as you can see, I still have a dBrand skin with the carbon fiber on it. My LG V10, I made my own skin because dBrand weren't making skins for the V10s, and frustratingly so, they didn't make any for the V60 right here, so I had to make my own. This one for the V10, I think it was called Tour Vinyl, and it's supposed to be a color shift. As you can see, it still does every now and then, but most of the time it usually just looks green. So I ordered some Dia skin wrap or vinyl skins, and so I made one for the dual screen case right here, just to show you guys how it's been holding up. It still looks great, still looks fantastic. I just love the look of this carbon fiber skin with the like that ridging on the back of the case to give it more grip. It gives it a different kind of carbon fiber look, as you can see. And then here is the one for the V60 that I made. A little bit of scuffs right here. It's from the back of the case. I don't know if it's really showing. And so this is how they've been holding up. And then I even made one for my LG V60. I didn't have any stickers for the LG V60 to make a cutout or to make a template or anything like that. I just basically traced the back of the case, the LG V35 case, this one, and then started, tracing it out and then going from there. And then I even made one for here. This is my HTC Deluxe, or in the United States, it was sold as a Droid DNA. And this is really nice. I didn't have a case, or I couldn't find my case to make a cutout or a template, so I just basically traced out the phone onto the I traced the phone on the back of these the wraps right here, and then I kind of like guessed where the camera cutout was going to be and the flash, and then the little speaker hole grills right here. And not too bad. At least in my book, it's not that bad of a look. I mean, it could look cleaner, but it is what it is. I even made a wrap for my Asus VivoBook right here, as you guys can see. I made one for the VivoBook. So with that 12 by 60 inch roll of vinyl wrap right here from Dia, I was able to not only make one for the V60 and the dual screen case, but I was able to do one for this 14 inch Asus VivoBook Flip 14 laptop, my V35, and also my HTC Deluxe right here. And so for comparison, I also ordered some skins from dBrand right here. As you can see, this is from dBrand. I ordered the black carbon fiber, and then for the camera, I got the red carbon fiber, as you can see. So you can compare the difference between dBrand and mine as far as the looks go. dBrand is going to have more precise cutouts. I could never made these cutouts for the camera lens, especially like round cutouts. They're really hard to make. The only thing I noticed with the dBrand is right here, it's kind of short on the bottom. It's too much on the sides here, and then on the sides here, I guess it's pretty precise, as you can see. And it's not because I lined it up wrong, because I lined it up exactly to how the camera, where the camera lens is. That's how you want to install it. If you watch the video on dBrand's website on how to install these skins, as you can see. So that is the first time that dBrand has not been so precise as far as like with this bottom part here and the sides. Otherwise, the top looks great. It's lined up, everything, the camera lens, as you can see here, and the camera sensors and optical sensors, the flash, the time of flight sensors, they're all good to go. But yeah, I don't know what happened. dBrand is usually more precise than this. So I ordered this skin just so I can compare how they look. But then I could already compare it with the Note that I have. This is also a dBrand, as you can see. Not much has changed. Their carbon fiber designs are always top notch. They always have a 3D look. They're not too glossy. If you don't like, the glossy look, and they don't attract fingerprints, and they still give you pretty good grip. And for reference too, here is my Aero laptop that I put a carbon fiber skin on, if you guys haven't seen the video on that. And this was a very comprehensive skin. It not only had one for the top, but it also had one for the bottom right here, as you can see, and also for the inside of the laptop, right there. But as you guys seen in that video, the cutouts weren't that precise, and they do have the cutouts to make, but it's kind of stuck. So I had issues with the Aero logo. They weren't coming out properly after I stuck the skin on. For all you carbon fiber lovers like myself, here is an up close and gratuitous look at all my carbon fiber skins. And overall, I'm pretty pleased with how they turned out. They're almost, but not quite, up to the standards of like what you would buy if they were made exclusively for the devices. All you need is just a little bit of patience and take your time with the cutouts, and depending on your level of craftsmanship or skills, you can get them to look just as good, if not better than mine's, or even as good as some of the professional skins like your dBrand and Slick Wrap's carbon fiber skins. So here are all my carbon fiber skins that I've made for my laptop, my dual screen case, my V60, V35 and HTC Deluxe up close, so we can check out the look. And more importantly, you could see any blemishes or imperfections that I may have made, or any mistakes that I made making the skins. But like I said, I'm pretty pleased with how they turned out. And I think if I would have taken more time, they would have come out a lot better. And then one more time from another angle, another close-up look, just so we can really see and inspect the glossy look of this carbon fiber skin, and also how much of a 3D effect it has by itself without any cases or anything like that put on them. And then here is another look up close at the skins that I purchased. The one for the Note 4 and the Note 10 are from dBrand, and then the one for my Aero laptop is the skin that I got from eBay. But I will put all the links in the description if you guys are interested in making your own or buying your own. So let me pan out real quick right here so you guys can see all my carbon fiber designs that I have for my Aero, going I guess clockwise. I made one for the Asus VivoBook Flip 14, and then this one is from dBrand for my Note 4. I made this one for my LG V10. This one's from dBrand for my Note 10. My HTC Deluxe I made, and then I made one for the V35, LG V60, and the dual screen case right there. And then I ordered one for the my Aero laptop from eBay, and it was like around $25 I think in total for that skin, straight from China. It took like around 2 weeks to get it, the Aero skin. If you guys are curious on if you guys didn't watch the videos on how I made these skins for the V10, I'll put a link in the description. And there's really no explanation needed in how to install dBrand skins. I mean, just go to their website or their YouTube channel and watch the videos on how to install the skins. Basically, if you can install the dBrand skin, then it's going to be pretty much the same on most of these phones. And then on the laptop, you know, go to their page on how to install a laptop skin, and you'll be good to go with that. So that is our 1 month end look at how my Dia carbon fiber skins have been doing, and what I've been able to do with just a 12 by 60 inch roll of this 3D carbon fiber, glossy carbon fiber vinyl wrap from Dia for $9.95, and it came with the plastic squeegee and a cutting knife that you guys probably can't see, but I'll put it in the video. It'll be in the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about these skins, and what are your favorite skins to use for your phones, or do you like just keep them as is, bareback? Do you use a case? What kind of case to protect your laptop or your smartphones or your electronic devices, your iPads, Galaxy tablets, Android tablets, whatever? Leave them in the comments. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you guys been informed and entertained, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.